Beautiful pink lips. Once everyone, needless to say, the sweet pink lip is much more attractive, but with the use of lipstick every day, lips gradually turn black and the sun's harmful rays make our lips black. Besides, there are various types of illnesses, smoking and use of bad cosmetics. Let's find out today the natural way to cure your lips pink. Whatever is needed to make the home remedy. 1. Lemon. Lemon has natural bleaching and exfoliating properties. You can either squeeze half a lemon and apply the juice directly on your lips daily, or you can also take a thin slice of lemon, sprinkle a bit of sugar on top and rub it on your lips. It will exfoliate dead cells for fresher skin to appear. 2. Sugar. The sugar acts as an exfoliating agent while the honey moisturizes after the sugar scrub removes the dead skin. It is a very efficient therapy for sore or chapped lips. 3. Vaseline. When you apply Vaseline to your lips, the petroleum jelly acts as a protective barrier and prevents moisture from escaping. Fast. Take 2 tablespoons sugar in a bowl. Add amount like of lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon Vaseline. Then mix well. Apply the mixture to the lips, wait for the remedy to dry. After dry this remedy, wash with normal water. If you use this remedy properly, then you will get better result. Second step. Fast. Take 2 tablespoons coconut oil in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Then mix well. Apply the mixture to the lips. After 20 minutes, wash with normal water. It helps to reduce lips crack, and makes lips soft and supple. Guys, if you use those formula properly, then your lips problem solves. If you want to get more solution, please visit our website. If you want to know something, please comment. Subscribe this channel to get more helpful video.